Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to view your debit card number on the Chase app. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Chase mobile app and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, go to the home screen of the app. On the home screen, locate and tap the option labeled See Card. This is where Chase stores your debit card details, because Chase cards are numberless, meaning the card number isn't printed directly on the physical card. After tapping See Card, a new screen will appear with more card options. From here, tap on See Details. This will show your debit card information, including the full card number, expiration date, and security code, everything you need for online transactions or account verification. This information is securely stored and can only be accessed from within the app once you're logged in. It's especially useful if you need your card details quickly and don't have your physical card with you. So that's basically how you can view your debit card number on the Chase app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.